Our top priorities are your safety and making sure you see the best of Santiago. With more than a decade's worth of results to back it up, our tour designs follow relaxed routes perfect for bikes and are proven to show you the most important aspects of the city. Since 2007, our team of guides have been the secret to a memorable tour experience in Chile. We are green, bilingual bike gurus who are passionate about the city we call home. There's a reason 80% of our reviews feature our guides. Booking a tour with La Bicicleta Verde is fast and simple. Everything you need is online, including up-to-date availability for all of our tours. Even if you have a question, you can chat us instead of waiting for an email response or needing to call the office. We live by our 100% satisfaction guarantee. At the end of every tour, we offer a short survey for you to tell us about your experience. If anything is less than fantastic, we immediately offer a full refund, even though we doubt you'll need it. More than 50,000 customers and even a few rock stars have taken a tour with us. They loved us and chose to share their experience online. Now, they could be wrong, but why would the New York Times, Rolling Stone, The Guardian, and more talk about us too?